Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil in your car at home in few easy steps. So first step in changing your engine oil is to turn on your engine to warm up the engine oil. So let's start the car. Second step is to lift your car from the front so you can access drain plug and oil filter. So let's put the car up. Step 3 is to remove the drain bolt and remove the oil filter. So let's do it. Step number 4 is to put the drain plug back and new oil filter in. But before we do that, you have to make sure you put the new oil on the rubber seal of the new filter. So let's do it. So step number 5 is to bring your car down so you can fill the new engine oil. Step number 6 is to fill the engine oil in your car. Make sure you buy the right oil for your car. For that, make sure you go through the user manual and read through it and buy the proper engine oil. So let's fill the engine oil. So final step is to turn on your car for a while and check the engine oil level. If it's low, put a little bit more oil and you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, please hit the like, share and subscribe.